Every morning I used to wake up and stare at a long, overwhelming to-do list. I'd waste 30 minutes deciding what to do instead of actually doing anything. And by the end of the day, I felt exhausted but unproductive. So I tried something new. I let AI choose my tasks for me every morning. And it changed everything. Today, I'll show you the exact system step by step using free tools. People think productivity is about doing more. It's actually about deciding what matters most. Procrastination doesn't happen while working. It happens when choosing what to work on. Decision fatigue kills momentum. So instead of choosing tasks myself, I let AI do it objectively. Step 1. Create a task pool. I created a Trello board with 4 simple columns. High priority, medium priority, low priority, completed. Then I added all my tasks, big and small, into the right categories. Open Trello, create the 4 columns, add all tasks. Do not think about order. Just capture everything. Clarity begins with visibility. Step 2. Ask AI to pick today's tasks. Every morning, I open the board, copy all the tasks, and paste them into AI with this prompt. Here is my task list. Based on priority, impact, urgency, and available energy, choose the top 3 tasks I should do today. Explain why they are the best choices. AI picks the tasks logically, not emotionally. No second guessing. No hesitation. Copy your task list, paste into AI. Use the prompt above. Write down the 3 chosen tasks. No more decision fatigue. Step 3. Turn the list into a simple today plan. Then I ask AI to create a simple action plan. Turn these 3 tasks into a step-by-step plan with time estimates and the best order to complete them. Now I have a mini roadmap for the day. Instead of guessing, I just follow the plan. Ask AI for step-by-step execution. Put the plan somewhere visible. Start immediately. Momentum beats motivation. Step 4. Daily reflection, optional but powerful. At the end of the day, I ask AI one more question. Based on what I completed today, what should be my next 3 tasks for tomorrow? It learns my rhythm, and tomorrow becomes clear before it starts. Paste completed tasks, ask the reflection prompt. Move items to completed column. Progress becomes visible. Before this system, I woke up overwhelmed and unsure what to do. Now, I start every day with clarity and direction. Instead of thinking about work, I start doing work. AI didn't make me faster. It removed the friction between intention and action. Try this today. 1. Create a task pool. 2. Ask AI to pick today's top 3. 3. Turn them into a mini-plan. 4. Finish them. 5. Repeat tomorrow. Comment 3 tasks if you're doing it. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment 3 tasks below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.